Hello, my name is Mario Molina, and I'm gonna be helping Grandmaster Toby Leon to demonstrate some new techniques.
Yeah, today specifically, we're gonna demonstrate sidearm protection for law enforcement, but it gives us a great opportunity to also learn some very key concepts, some basic introduction to ground fighting, the difference between the guard versus the mount, and how important it is. In wrestling, we're going to have double leg takedowns, single leg takedowns. We could have something as simple as the football tackle, and we can have something like in judo. We can have judo throw, and we can have trips. Okay, so the transition games is going to be very important. So we're going to show how some of these things are very, very important for a law enforcement officer to keep in mind. And what is really important is to remember space, creating space. If the subject gets too close, we gotta create space. Secondly, if we do get taken down, we want to make sure that we're in the guard position and not mounted. And that has to do with our leg position. So that's why it's very, very important to have very, very flexible hips. So when you get taken down, you get your legs on the outside. Okay, you do not want your legs on the inside when you're taken down. Okay, that's very important. Now, what's important about being a takedown is the difference between the guard and mounted position. Okay, so I'm going in, I'm going into the takedown, and bang. Perfect. See his legs? He's got it spread out. Okay, that makes it harder for me to mount him. If Mario falls down with his legs together, bang, I'm going to mount him. Okay. And once you're mounted, it puts you in a tremendous biomechanical disadvantage. Okay. So here I am. I'm the police officer here. I got my sidearm. I'm gonna tell him to keep away, but I let him get too close, and now he's gonna go for the takedown. One more time. Stay back. Okay, so I got my leg from the outside. Okay, so this is called a guard. Okay, that's called a defensive guard position. Okay, now let me show you the wrong way of getting taken down. Okay, it's gonna take me down again. Don't do it with your legs together, but this is what will happen. Okay, now he's got me mounted. He's got all the mechanical advantage. Now watch this. I'm gonna try to go for my gun, and guess who's got the advantage? He just turned the gun on me, and with my hold on a second. With my wrist hyperflexed like this, I really don't have much strength to hold on to it. And all he has to do is flick it down, and the gun is his. Okay, and now I am at his mercy. okay? And he's mounted me. I don't have the defensive guard, okay? So one thing to do, important also to learn is how to escape the mount. And so in the future we'll show different ways of escaping the mount. But for now, let me show you one way, okay? So if he's got the gun on me, okay, it's not over. You still got a chance, right? Since he took the gun away from you, what you gotta do is grab the wrist, okay? You want to control the wrist, and what's important is you want to get out of the line of fire, okay? And so what's important here is you don't want to have all that dragging resistance here. That's why we do our core work, abdominal work, so we can have very little resistance. I can move very quickly like this. So he's got the gun on me, bang, I move it out, I turn it on him, I got the gun. But it's not over yet. He's still got the mounted position, okay? But look at my legs. I'm already prepared for what? For the upa, I also call it the bridge and roll. So from here, there's the bridge and roll. Okay, and then I got control back. But in general, you don't want to be mounted like that and have the gun in the subject's hand. Okay, so it's better to fall in the guarded position. So one more time here. So Mario's gonna come at me and he's gonna take me down. I'm gonna make sure I'm in the guard. Okay.